how to fix Google Earth location problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Google Earth location problem on Android phone. First, open settings and now just scroll down until you find apps and then click apps again, and now just type here Earth and click on it. And now first thing you need to do here is to click permissions, and here we'll find location. Click on it and make it allow only while using the app. Maybe you'll find it like that, and then just click allow, and after that go to storage, clear cache, and then force stop. And that's it. Now just go back and try again and your problem must be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then all you need to do just go to Play Store and update your Google Earth and then restart your phone and try again. And I hope that can fix your problem. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.